This is Greg Trauthwein. I'm the editor and associate publisher of Maritime Reporter and Engineering News. We're here at SMM 2016, and we're here with Leif from Caterpillar. Leif, I thank you very much for joining us.
Thanks for being here. No, absolutely. Okay, my name is Leif Gross. I'm working for Caterpillar Marine in Hamburg, Germany, responsible for our new product introduction, basically in the entire marine space Caterpillar's working in.
Leif, I think we could probably sit here for about 5 hours, but we only have about 5 minutes. So particularly with Caterpillar, which of course is a very large and very well-known company. If you don't mind, I'd like to start with LNG, because LNG is a regular topic in our pages and on our videos. And I would just like if you could give me your perspective. We've been talking about it from years, but from your perspective, how mature are we as far as the uptake of LNG as a fuel?
You know, I can say that, of course, there's still some issues around the availability of fuel, but, you know, our message to the customers is, where's the will, there's a way. So we have basically executed our marine gas strategy pretty well and having a very broad product band from 600 horsepower up to 20,000 horsepower. Basically, we can meet all different customer requirements, not just for the powerhouse itself, but as well for all the gas systems and engineering around, because that seems to be very important to our customers, that they have basically a kind of one-stop shop in order to reduce the risk.
If you could look to one trigger, one regulation that might be moving this forward faster, could you point to one?
Yeah, I can point out mainly two, I would say. Right now, there is the little spread between the oil price and the gas price. Mm-hmm. You know, does it make very difficult to justify a sustainable business case for our customers? And we don't want our customers to rely on public subsidies. You know, we want them to give a product, a solution where they can make money on and create a sustainable business case. You know, the other big impact we're seeing rolling on us is the introduction of IMO Tier 3 emission regulations, where gas or LNG is a great tool in order to meet these emission regulations with relatively low complex solutions by avoiding all after treatment for the exhaust gas.
Excellent. If there's a topic that we talk about more than LNG, it's probably about digitization. And again, digitization, big data, whatever you want to call it, it means 100 things to 100 different people. But basically, from our perspective, it's getting information, using it smartly. Can you discuss with me the Caterpillar strategy or the Caterpillar solution to digitization in the marine industry?
Yeah, at first, you know, it is about making our, we call it asset, our product, our solutions intelligent. So means talkable. So the first step is, you know, to create the infrastructure to collect data from the several equipment on board of ships, and then broadcast the data in order to allow them, you know, to apply intelligent ways to understand the data, to interpret the data, and to do some kind of predictive maintenance. That's the reason why we are very much in, and we call it asset intelligence. You know, we have recently acquired a company and integrating this company right now into the marine space very successfully, you know, where we are able to monitor basically all critical systems on board of ships, very large ships as well, independent if this is engines or pumps or those kind of equipment, and then, you know, give the customer back, you know, early warnings in respect of potential failures arising. That's dramatically reducing downtime and repair cost for the customer. You know, significant savings. You know, that's one of the space, you know, where we see digitalization really moving forward and adding a lot of value to our customers. Maybe the other is, you know, when we talk about diesel electric drives, you know, there is a concept developed in our house. We call it MEO, multiple engine optimizer, where we take advantage of having different engines with different characteristics on board, and depending on what's the vessel operation is right now, we can advance this or that engine in order to do the job more efficient or maybe more performing. So in other words, if we combine a medium speed engine and a high speed engine, you know, the long-term travels for the vessel we do propel with a medium speed engine, but when it comes to dynamic positioning, we are using the advantage of a high speed engine. And that's as well, have this kind of super controlling capability adds a lot to our customers' bottom line in fuel savings.
That's fabulous. You've covered my questions well. I thank you very much for your time, and I wish you a successful SMM.
My pleasure being here. Thank you very much for the time. Thanks.